What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2015 Ultra Classic. Stick around at the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. The bike's very clean. LED front and rear turn signals, stage 1 kit, Vance&Hines exhaust, upgraded chrome bars, chrome switches, grips, shifter peg, very clean highway pegs. This bike only has 13,327 miles on it. Got some Harley windshield patches with windshield chrome trim piece. Let's go ahead and get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.